Today we're looking at who is in your family. Have you ever thought how to talk about your family in English? Well, today we're going to learn family members' words. We're also going to look at reading a story using the new family members' words. So the key question today is, who is in your family? Hello again, my name's Margaret and welcome to today's lesson. It's all about family members. Grandfather. Grandfather. There he is. This is your dad's father or your mum's father. It is your grandfather. Father, or as I used to say, dad. You maybe call him father. I call him dad. There he is. Dad. This is your parent. This is your dad. This is your father. Uncle. 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 This is your dad's brother, or it could be your mum's brother. The word is uncle. Brother. 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 He is your sibling. So even if you're a girl and you have a boy as a sibling, he is your brother. So they are brothers. This one is the little brother and he is the big brother. Do you have siblings? Are you a little brother or are you a big brother? Brother is your sibling. Grandmother. Grandmother. She is grandmother. She is your mother's mum or your dad's mum or your father's mum. She is your grandmother. Grandmother. Mother or mum. Mother or mum. Some people like me, I say ma'am. Ma'am. This is your parent. Your mum, your ma'am or your mother. So your parents, if it's plural, your parents are mother and father. You could have two mothers. You could have two fathers. These are your parents, the people who look after you. Parents. This one, mother or mum. Next one, aunt. Your aunt. Aunt. She is your mother's sister. Could be your mother's sister or could be your father's sister. She is your aunt. Wife or husband. Wife is the female, husband is the male, and they are married. So a wife and a husband are two people who are married. Sister. Sister. sisters. 2 sisters. This is your sibling. So kind of remember, brother. Brother is your sibling. If it's a sister, it's a girl. She is the little sister and she is the big sister. They are sisters. This is your sibling. Sister. Son or daughter. Son is the male. Daughter is the female. Son is the boy. Female is the girl. And it's the names that your mum and dad call you. Your mother and your father call you their son or their daughter. So it's what you are to your mum or dad, a son or a daughter. Grandson, granddaughter. Grandson, granddaughter. Grandson, the boy. Granddaughter is the girl. It is what your grandpa and your grandma call you. You are their grandson. You are their granddaughter. Grandson, boy. Granddaughter, girl. Niece and nephew. Niece and nephew. It is what your aunt and your uncle call you. Your aunt and uncle call you the niece or the nephew. Remember, your aunt and uncle are sister and brother to your mum or your dad. You are still the daughter and son of your mum and dad, but to your aunt and uncle, you are the niece or the nephew. Niece is the girl, nephew is the boy. Niece and nephew. This is me. Or this is me. The boy or the girl. I am special in every way. I just thought I'd have a nice little sentence just to say that you are quite special. You are a special person no matter who you are. You're a man, or you're a woman, you're a boy, you're a girl. You are special in every way. So now you know who is in your family. We've gone through most of the family members, so now you know who is in your family. Can you tell me who is in your family now? Well done. So I can hear some of you saying you have got grandpa and grandma. Some of you are saying you've got cousins. Okay, some of you are saying we've got aunts and uncles. Well done. Time for a story. One sunny Saturday, Tom and his sister Emma were very excited. Their parents said they were visiting Grandpa and Grandma. It's Saturday and they're going to Grandpa's. When they arrived, Grandpa was in the garden watering the flowers and Grandma was baking cookies in the kitchen. Tom and Emma ran to hug them. Later, Aunt Mary and Uncle John came over with their 2 children, Max and Lily. "Hi, cousins," said Tom and Emma. Okay? So aunt and uncle, if they have children, they are your cousins. Everyone sat in the living room. Grandpa told funny stories about when he was young, and Grandma gave cookies to everyone because she'd been baking. Tom and Emma's parents smiled. "Family time is the best," said Mum. And I have to agree, family time is the best. In the evening, Grandpa and Grandma hugged their grandson and granddaughter. "Come back soon," said Grandma. "Come back soon." "We will," said Tom and Emma, waving goodbye. Nice job, everyone. Hope you've enjoyed the story about families and learning family vocabulary. Don't forget, if you really enjoyed this video, give it a like. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, because I do these very often and nearly every week. Thank you so much. Well done for reading and listening to the story. See you again soon. Bye-bye for now.